Welcome to Unboxing with Angela. I am Angela and I'm the social media manager for House and Heat. We are constantly launching new prints and frames, so it is my job to receive all of them and make new content. This is our first time making aluminum frames. We don't have any content to share on our Instagram with them yet, besides what I make. If you are a home decor lover, a home decor girly per se, if you like to share content of your beautiful space, I would love to send you some of our new aluminum frames. Gotta take the corners off. I love these little protective corners and they make a very fun sound when you take them off, but it's so satisfying to do this. Frame, gonna take the back off. It's so easy, it takes like 2 seconds. I do this all the time because I'm always filming content, so I'm kind of a pro. I'm gonna take out this insert. My other most favorite part of the frame unboxing, which is taking the film off the plexi. Ooh. Very fun. But yeah, if you are a home decor content creator, we're always looking for people to send free wall art to. Grab an art print to throw in here so you can see what it looks like, and if you guys want to see my crazy social media manager art print collection, let me know and I can do a video on that. Love that. It looks so good. This would be a gallery wall inspo. I've been inspired.